The UMD Study Abroad Course Database lists study abroad courses that have been officially reviewed by UMD. Students have taken many of these courses abroad, so you can use this as one of several tools to help plan your academics. You can use this database to search for courses in a variety of ways. For example, you could search by country and pull a list of courses that are available in that particular location. You could search for a specific university abroad, or you could search by city. Another way to use this database is you can search for specific UMD equivalent courses that you could fill while abroad. For example, you could search for courses by a UMD department, and it'll pull a list of all the biology courses, and you can search and sort the different locations there. You could search by the UMD course code, a UMD title, and another helpful tool is searching for courses by their liberal education requirements. Once you actually get the search results, you can further sort the columns in the table below. So all you have to do is just click at the top and you can sort them by country, title, department, course code, etc. And another helpful thing is you can export the results to either an Excel spreadsheet or you can print the results to a PDF, which might be helpful for you to bring to a meeting with your academic advisor. A few important things to keep in mind are that you are not limited to these courses. If you happen to find other courses you're interested in at a foreign university, you can always get those courses officially reviewed by UMD. If you notice that a university lists a class in a specific subject area, they likely have similar classes that just haven't been reviewed. So check out that university's full list of course offerings, and if you find something that could be a good fit, you can always go through the course review process at UMD. Also note that the courses listed here are valid for 5 years from the date they were reviewed by UMD. So be sure to check and see if the course will be valid through the date and term you plan to go abroad. Lastly, it's really important to note that course offerings can change at any time. So before finalizing your academic plan, you need to confirm which courses will be available during the term you plan to go abroad. Again, check out the foreign university's website to see what is offered and when. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our staff.